Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Ryan's going to be doing a voiceover for me today. Yep, that's going to go very well. So anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ring that bell, and follow me on my Instagram handle, and he's going to take the mic over.
Well, now I'm gonna put some black goo on my face right now, and just apply it all across the eyes. Make sure to avoid the eyeball. I'm gonna get some I don't know what this is. More like Sharpie. I'm gonna Sharpie up my eyes and make some straight lines. Look like a cat. And then draw all over and use this little crimpler to crimp my eyes. Make sure you don't get in the eyeballs or you accidentally crimp your eyeball. And more Sharpie to get more into the, I don't know where's she going with that, like her eyelashes, I guess. I don't know. More crimpling on the other side of the eye. Look fancy. Get some cat-like eyes. Now I'm gonna put this brush all over my face. Goodbye what? Goodbye friggin' like moist? I don't know. Moistly? Ugh. Now I'm gonna put some friggin' camouflage paint on my face and see how that goes. Bloop, 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 bloop. So I don't know what she's doing here. She's like blending the camouflage into her face so she looks like a normal person. And now we got two more of this crap. Putting all over her, like down her nose. I don't know why she's putting it down her nose. And adding more brown. Like doing a blend of different browns, I guess. Yeah. So more like, I don't know. Like, why are you putting so much fucking blush on? Is that blush? I don't know. And just just lather it all over across her chin, forehead, and yeah, it's up against the freaking down the middle, yeah, just like that. Make sure you get some in the eyebrows. Yeah, I got even out those eyebrows, you know. And I don't know what this little brush does. I guess get all the oils off your nose. I don't know. More gloop all over, and I have no idea what the heck this thing is. And another brush. Holy fucking brushes! How many brushes do you need? Like, this is too many brushes for one makeup thing. Oh, I don't remember using this brush when I was putting her face together. I would have had this done like half the time. And there's me, magically, dropping off some stuff. And now back to the brushing. Ooh, Sailor Moon stuff. Alright, drawing on your face? Why are we drawing more? Like, it's like outlines for friggin' to look like a cat? And eating. Yeah. And another brush. Oh my god. Can you take that tape off the back of your mirror? Like, it's annoying. It's like it's like hurting me more than the makeup right now. Can I just draw a face on the back of that painter's tape? And now she got rid of all the whatever was on her nose. And what the fuck is this shit? How much longer are you gonna be on your nose? God damn. I would have had this done like half the time, like, because guys are more efficient to do their face. Splash some water and done. And whatever this crap is, and more powdering of the cheeks and up and get under the eyeballs. Oh yeah. So, and now taking off the makeup. Like, why are you doing that after you're applying so much? And more to the nose. Oh my god. This is way too much work to freaking put makeup on. Oh my god. How much blushing and how much brushes do you have to use for this? Can't you just have one brush for all jobs? One brush for everything? Well, even everything out, one brush. It's like painting a wall. Even more blush. And then just like keep going. Just lather it all over. Maybe this be a little more moist. Yeah, there you go. All up in the nose. Yeah, get some up inside the nose too. So, now different colors to look like what? To blend in with outside. And all over the eyes, again with the nose. Let's focus on too much on the nose. Like, I have no idea how much of this crap is required. She doesn't need all this makeup. And whatever this doodad is, and we get a little more. Oh, I remember this. This is like the fucking when the makeup is done. This settling spray, and she's fangirling out. Oh, it's all done. Oh my god, it's all done. She looks like a normal. I don't know how I go from that to she has like skin color now. She was like all muted before. Well, thanks for watching, and if you want more commentary, please stay tuned for more videos from me.